Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to run a bash command in a Jenkins pipeline, only to hit a wall? It can be really frustrating, right? Well, today we're going to tackle that exact issue and show you how to run bash commands seamlessly. I totally get it. You want to run more complex commands, not just simple echo statements. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same challenge when working with Jenkins. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to run a bash command instead of using the shesh command in a Groovy script for a Jenkins pipeline. They tried a couple of methods, but didn't get the results they wanted. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the issue here? The shesh command is commonly used in Jenkins pipelines, but sometimes you need the specific features of bash. Understanding the difference between these commands is crucial for executing your scripts correctly. And stick around, I have a special tip at the end that will help you streamline your Jenkins pipelines even further. To run a bash command in a Jenkins pipeline, the user should use the shesh step with the appropriate shebang. This allows the script to be interpreted as a bash script. If the user wants to run a more complex bash command, they can still use the shesh step. Just ensure that the entire command is enclosed within triple quotes. Alternatively, if the user prefers to use a dedicated bash step, they can install the bash plugin for Jenkins. This allows the use of a bash command directly. Finally, the user should ensure that their Jenkins environment has the necessary permissions to execute bash scripts. This may involve configuring the Jenkins security settings. Here's how you can do it. In your Jenkins pipeline script, use the bash command like this. Stage, setting the variable's values. Steps, bash/bin/bash. Echo, hello world. Fun fact, did you know that Jenkins was originally developed as a fork of Hudson? It has come a long way since then, just like our ability to run commands. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to running bash commands in Jenkins is to change the default shell for all projects. You can do this by accessing the Jenkins configuration through the web portal. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative approach shared by another user involves executing a shell script directly in the Jenkins pipeline. They suggest using the command h followed by the path to your script, ensuring that the first line of the script specifies /bin bash. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using the sh command with a specific format. They suggest using the shebang line with the end command to ensure the script runs with bash. This method improves readability in Jenkins logs. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your commands in a local environment before running them in Jenkins. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to run bash commands in your Jenkins pipeline with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.